Okay, shake your booties. 1, 2, 3, go. We found it. Oh, dear. I want to cry. Babe, I want to cry.
On the plane, we were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road, into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down. Place we call home.
Oh yeah, good morning. Good morning, coffee time.
Rise and shine.
Toast. Welcome to Tallinn. We are in a port. We're still in, but still in Tallinn. So welcome to Tallinn port. Too much people, right? Too much. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello. So I don't have time to fly my drone because you need to be there outside for 2 hours only. 2 hours.
Oh, I'm too close. I'm too close.
I know.
Interview job.
I can see your brain.
Love at that.
Kiva. It's funny that I'm answering one by one. Okay, Kiva. Go.
No, as long as you do understand.
It's almost the same. Welcome. And we have... So this is the taxi. And this is the mall. And this is... I miss Will. I miss Will. There is Will.
Yes.
Where are we going?
We are going to eat.
You like? When did you like?
Their chicken is to die for.
We go there, we go there. So, 2 of them. We're looking for... Yeah, we need to be fast because we will be here for 1.5 hours only. Someone is doing her shopping again. Friends, you don't find it there. We got something. I have my glasses and Jenny has also. And we have the same shoes.
They are flip-flops.
My new sunglasses. My nose is prominent. Jenny says my eyes. Something happened here. My card is not working.
Jenny to the rescue.
Friends, the mall in Estonia. We found it! First floor. Wait, what? It's there! It's there! I want to cry. Babe, I want to cry.
It would feel like get stuck in.
The last time I ate it was 2019. Now we're here again.
Yeah.
It's happening.
What did you order, babe?
one bucket.
20 pieces.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
5 there. Babe, go order one bucket too.
Oh, we finish them all.
We're going to finish them all. We're gonna finish it all.
So we ordered 3 buckets.
Yes, we're going to order.
Bucket.
We're going to order. Actually, we're going to order another 4th bucket. That is good for 1 year.
Yeah, mixed.
Another order. Another order. We came here just to fulfill it, and now it's like non-stop ordering. See? No diet.
Food makes diet. We don't do diet.
Okay, spicy.
Spicy burger. I'm sorry, can I ask? I'm so sorry. You can say, hey, you talk too much. Wait.
Oh, I like this, but I don't speak.
I'm not hungry. I order only 1 bucket and a burger.
Only came for kids.
Oh, I think it took us longer here than any other shop, right? Literally,
Unbelievable. Hey guys, we didn't go in this side. I don't know where we are. This is not the shop where we were. Seriously, yung nostrils ko, kitang-kita talaga dito. Oh. Now we are getting out. Yes, because we were there. Yay! Why did you come here in Tallinn anyway? Wiggle your head. Wiggle your head. I woke up like this, okay. And then I stepped next, oh shit! That's on pa rin.
satisfied.
Satisfied. As long as you guys are happy. Em got his shoes. I got both his slippers. I'm happy.
I got my slipper, but I didn't wear my slipper. I woke up like this. Oh, they have also this. So our limousine is there. Taxo. The taxi is taxi, and now it's taxo.
Street pig.
What?
And she is wearing it.
And you too.
And we are wearing it. Wearing it. Varovasti juoman kanssa. Oh yeah, we have a
My god. She's going to slaughter pot, I'm telling you.
1 stick every day.
One stick every day for the whole year. Are you serious?
No, 1 bite every day. That's it. And then when I hear it comes, it's already green.
Bye, Estonia. See you when I see you. So we gave a tip.
Oh, you did? Generous woman.
5 years.
Generous woman.
So
Next time when you guys come here, call them.
yes.
Hey, I gave you 5 euros.
So that was really fast. I am supposed to be the vlogger here, and I will be the one who is in front of the camera, but this is gonna take too much video. Okay, it's there.
It's on us.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bye bye. Open. I'm in.
We're going back to Finland, and we had fun being here for 1.5 hours. And we need to be fast now. To the ship. Lots of videos.
Place we go.
So this is the entrance and see you Estonia. Okay, we're here. Everything.
I saw you guys your video.
Who won? Million
Really?
times.
Wow, I won 1,000,000 times. It's because of you. You voted for me.
Okay, baby. See you soon. Enjoy the buffet later. You got this, and I got this. Not too much. It's only burger, sauce, and 1 bucket. Not too much, right? Enjoy eating.
Bon appétit.
We're going to find a good place to release our speech. We walk. Oh, now we will go out and see the beauty of the ocean. The beauty of the ocean. I'm so full and we're waiting for our buffet. Yeah. Ooh. They're dancing and they have a tattoo, hoodie. I'm just catching you out so it's too bright. Hello, beautiful girls. It's like where's the helicopter?
Guys,
So we are moving. There is photo shooting going on here. I believe I can fly.
before we talk about my stomach, like,
Don't talk about the stomach.
Portrait?
yeah, all.
Place we go. Place we
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Okay, can you put lower your feet? Your stomach. Muscle. Now you practice. Muscle. Lift your feet. Come on. Jen.
Getting away from me. Look at that. It's a Viking. Oh. Bye bye.
Okay, what time is it?
We are preparing our stomach for the buffet.
Oh yeah. Can you just put your feet closer now? 1, 2, 3.
We're laying down here. And we're doing something. We have visitor. Hi. moving. It's scary.
Yeah.
My money. My money. I'm the queen of the world.
She's scared. That's how scared. Her knees shaking.
Now our trip to Estonia is almost over. And what is the best part of this trip?
I will walk there.
With confidence.
Palambutin mo konti yung mga kamay mo. Oo, kasi para siyang kuan, naninigas ka.
Seriously, I feel like this.
You're stiff, yeah. You're being stiff right now. Lumipad ka ng malayo.
Jessie! There's a chance to go back to my country with this Laiva. Laiva. Finish. I'm going back though. Exercise. One.
You just I can't let it go.
Okay, go.
Okay, shake your booty.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Guys,
It's buffet time.
we are in the grande buffet.
Buffet time.
Time for buffet.
Bon appetit. It's a hard work.
Place I call home. Place we call home. Place we call home.
Our dessert. The last one. From Finland to Estonia, we had this drink. It's a hard work. Sign that she is satisfied.
Hold the baby like this. Hold your tummy like this. And up and down. Yeah, that's that. Okay, good. Let's go.
Head five. What is the best part of this buffet?
Dessert.
Dessert, yeah. The dessert, but you didn't notice the design.
I told her you need to eject it. Okay, you need to do something about it to be able to eject. And then what I saw, you did bam! You did bam!
Oh, look. So in the ship, there is also a shopping mall. Wala kita? I found one. This is aloe vera, but this is €9. There's no difference. Is that real lollipop? Yeah. I have a shopping bag. Emergency bag. Boom. Today we have a disaster. Here so clean. And now this is the after effects. That.
We came with big bags and now we are leaving with more big.
Teitä merimatkasta ja toivottaa teidät tervetulleiksi uudelleen.
Dear passengers, welcome to Helsinki. Disembarkation will start in 20 minutes. We'd like to thank you and hope to see you soon again.
We landed. Back to reality. Welcome to Finland. Welcome to Finland.
Welcome to Helsinki.
How we look before and after is
Still okay.
still okay. Cherry from
Jenny had a good ribbon before, and now look, his disaster ribbon.
Are you sure it's the disaster? Oh my god.
No.
That made me
We landed safely. That is Finland. This is Helsinki. Bye-bye. We're all going home. Going home. And what you got? Jenny, what you got? So you got 2 bags extra. We're finally here in Finland. And I got this 2 bags.
Flying to the mountains, all across the ocean, and there we go again.
Bye-bye. I'm putting a distance so that we didn't use a mask. There you go.
All no wrong until we settle down, warming our heart, finding new bones, trying to find a place we call home. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home to see the ones we love. Time to back again, to hit the road again. Memories all around, tears are flowing down. It's time to say goodbye to all these colors, flavors, cultures, and to jump on that train.